man. We putting this carbon fiber diffuser on Zeus today. Show you how to do the install. So basically, I don't know if y'all can see it, but these it's supposed to fit with the original screws. And we finna find out. Hard to get these angles. But this is the first one. I think it's a 9/32 socket, I think, that you have to use. We finna get into. So when this focuses, I can see we got the 9/32 socket, and you can see the it's right here. And you would just take all these off, basically. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 down there, and then you got to take these little flat tabs out. You use a flat head, just pull them out from there. But I'll take this off and show y'all. There's some tabs in here too with the diffuser. When you take all the screws out, these flat things, there's like some tabs that just snap in on here. But I'll show you that when I take this off. So, finally got it off. That's a little tank without the diffuser on. A little weird. Y'all can see, these are the little pin thing goes. A little hard to get it off. They got the screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then that last pin is right there. After that, we're gonna put that carbon fiber diffuser on and see all the finished product. Y'all see it? It's finally installed. I'm gonna warn you now, if you order this thing from Amazon, the screws they give you doesn't really work, and you might have to do some modifications with the original screws that come with the original diffuser. So you might have to do some recuts on the carbon fiber. It does break easily. I didn't break it, but it does break easily. But yeah, this is the final look. That's it for this video. Y'all stay tuned for the next one.